In this video, we will learn about NFC feature available in MMRC. By using NFC, we can easily connect NFC-enabled smartphone to LG Smart TV via ThinQ application. Turn on NFC feature in smartphone. Locate NFC icon on MMRC. Tap smartphone on NFC icon of MMRC as shown here in this video. Play Store will open automatically in smartphone and ThinQ application installation icon will appear. Click on Install and then configure ThinQ application in smartphone. After configuration, tap Smartphone on NFC icon of MMRC. Now Register pop-up will appear on smartphone screen. Click on Register to pair smartphone with TV. Numeric code will appear on TV screen. Enter that code in smartphone. Follow all the instructions visible on smartphone screen to complete the connectivity process. Smartphone will be paired with TV easily using NFC.